Hello and welcome back to my channels. My channels? Ay, Dios mío, my channels? Oh my god, it's so hot, all these freaking lights, and I swear my videos don't even look that bright. What the heck? Maybe I'm going to menopause. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you saw by the title, I am going to be reviewing the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Palette. And here it is in all its glory. It comes with a little sleeve like almost all her products do. And I have to say, this packaging is gorgeous. You did beautifully. It is Gen approved. These are the most beautiful colors I've seen. Like, I own all her palettes, so this is not my first. And look at these colors. So from watching her video, she talked about that she kind of paired them up this way. Let me do it like this so you don't see the mess in the back. Okay, let's put this down. She paired them up like in squares so you can work with them, and I thought that was genius. So I'm here trying to decide and debate if I'm going to use this quad right here, this quad, or this quad. But I'm going to go ahead and start with this one, and I'm going to do what she was talking about and use those four. And I'm not going to talk during the video, so that way this video is not super long, but I will talk to you about what I think about these products, about this palette. I do own her latte, I do own the lemonade, and I do own the berries and cream. And I'm not going to lie, I love them all. I own most of her lipsticks, as you could see right there. They're all on there with the little black tops and the little burgundy tops. Couldn't think about the color. And I own also, I only own one of her gloss, the sweet tea one. But I did get in my Boxy Charm this one, which is peach tea. And I'm wearing it right now as I'm going to do my makeup, so that way my lips stay hydrated. You can see that didn't happen. So my lips stay hydrated while I do this look. And then, like always, I'm going to tell you at the end of the video what I think about it. Were they pigmented? I mean, you're going to see my expressions because I'm a very expressionist girl. Whatever, we made a word. I cannot keep a serious face. I mean, sometimes I could, but it's hard. But you will see, like, if it's pigmented, you're going to be seeing like this. If it's like, what the heck is going on, you're going to see that face. So let's go ahead and get into it, and we'll talk at the end. So I scoot you in so you could be up close and personal in the do of it all. Now, I did do my face. I did my face earlier because I knew this palette was coming today, and I'm filming this as it arrives here in my steps in front of me. But I did all my face. Everything on my face will be in the description below, so stay tuned for that. Just want to let you know that. Now let's go ahead and get started. Like she says, without further ado.
Yo sé, tanto que tú buscas no puedes encontrarte a otro que te quite el dolor que mi amor te dejo y te haga sentir mejor. No, disculpa, ya no quiero que sufras, no tienes la culpa, no llores más por mí. No quiero lastimarte, aunque mi corazón haya dejado de amarte. Yo no te merezco, se termina el tiempo y acaba con esto. Y por eso olvídate de mí. Olvídate de mí. Tal vez, si te vas yo no te buscaré. Te mereces a alguien que te quiera como tú quisieras, que dé su vida entera. Pero ese no soy yo. de mí. Olvídate de mí. Yo sé, tanto que tú buscas no puedes encontrarte a otro que te quite el dolor que mi amor te dejo y te haga sentir mejor. No, disculpa, ya no quiero que sufras, no tienes la culpa, no llores más por mí. No quiero lastimarte, aunque mi corazón.
This is like, I tweaked a lot of it. I wish that I would have saved the blue for the bottom. I think it would have looked a whole lot better. So that's my fault. Another thing is, like, I would have preferred to just pick colors that I wanted instead of going with the quad idea. Even though the quad idea is good, but I think the blue would have been better on the bottom than where I put it. But I'm going to put eyeliner and lashes, and I feel like all that will bring it together, because right now I'm not even happy with it. But I will say that fringe is a very light color, and it's more for like a setting base instead of trying to, you know, make it an upper crease or a crease. So that's why I went ahead and went in with Desert Queen. And Desert Queen is that orangey one, because that one was like a little bit more darker, and it kind of brought it together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my eyeliner, and I'm going to put my mascara, and I'm going to look for a lippy to put on. One of hers preferably is what I'm trying to do, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished look, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about how these perform and my thoughts on it. Second outro, in case first outro is too long. Alright guys, so this is my look, guys, loves. This is my look. Let me tell you, at first, like you saw on the previous clips, I was like, I don't know about this, but after you put the liner, you put lashes, you put lipstick, everything comes together, and it's like, oh, I'm feeling this. So I'm really liking this. I'm definitely liking this. This is work for me. I have a little corner that's coming because I didn't use lash glue. Okay, it has the glue on it, so I figured let me just do that because I need to take pictures. These lashes are from Hera. Hera is a company, is the name of the lashes, but the company is called Señorita Lashes, and I just received these in PR today, and I was just excited to use them, so I went ahead and decided to put them on, and they are gorgeous. I mean, hello, do you see it? It like changed up my look. So definitely love them. They are super comfortable. They were easy to go on. So definitely, I'm going to link them below. I do have a code with them, so I will link that as well. And you can also see it on my Instagram. So by all means, go to my Instagram. My lipstick today, where is it? I went with Nude Kiss from Dominique Cosmetics. And this was from their quad that they came out with probably like 2 months ago, or maybe 3. And I paired it up with the Sweet Tea, I think this one is called. Put them together, and I went with a nice little brown lip liner to kind of mute it, because this looked like it was in a peachy tone, you know. But when I put it on my lips, my skin tone changes the color, because this could look different on all kinds of skin tones. So never go by what's in there. So I did that to try to, you know, make it more in a peachy, you know, to go more with this look than in the pink zone. But let's talk about the palette. All right, so first thing I noticed about the palette is that it definitely does have a lot of kickback. Not gonna lie, has a lot of kickback. I personally don't mind, because all my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes have kickback, but they have pigment, they have blendability, so I work with it. But if you're a person that doesn't like that, then not for you. But if you're a person like me that doesn't really care and is more about the payoff, then great. Even with all that kickback, I really had hardly nothing underneath my eyes. So that's a big plus, because I was thinking with the blue, it was going to be all here, and I had the tiniest little like 1 or 2 specks, and that's it. That's it. I was like, okay. I used this quad color right here, but I also went into this one. Since this was a little bit too light, I did go into this one, and I have no problems. I mean, they look great. You could see they look great. I did go into Free Spirit because she talked about Free Spirit being a brightening one that she uses. So I put it under my eyes. I did not put it on the top because I had already put my highlighter. So, but I definitely recommend this, guys. I'm going to do 2 more looks. I'm going to do a look with this quad and this quad and see how it goes. And so definitely stay on the lookout for those videos because I will be uploading them and making them. I can't speak today. What the heck? I did use this. This came in my BoxyCharm, which you're going to see a video on this. I did my first unboxing with the BoxyCharm. I got the Luxe, and I had the Tarte's Pro Glow, but I have the other one. This is the volume, I think 3, if I'm correct. Where is it? Yeah. And this is like lighter colors, and I loved them. I loved everything. I was going to put this in a giveaway, but I don't own it, and I wanted to test it out and share it with you guys. I love the bronzers. I love the highlighter. That's what I'm wearing all over my face. That highlighter is from them. So if you don't own any of these, I've already have 2. The other one is, let me reach for it. I'll be back. Don't go away. Here it is. This is the other one. So this is the original one I have, which is the Pro Glow and Blush. And then I have this volume 3. Pretty sure that's what it's called. So love them both. Alright guys, that's going to be it for my video today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit like. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your day, week, weekend. And don't forget that every negative has a positive, so it's not going to rain forever. You will see a sunny day again. Just stay positive. Take care, guys. Yep, that's going to be a long video. No matter how much I try, it just can't shit out. Why are you coming off? You was doing so well. There you go. It's my eye. It doesn't. Oh, your hair is so flowing in the wind. What wind? It's freaking hot in here.